about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be working with the lovely Vshow hair. They sent me this gorgeous body wave wig. It is a 20-inch body wave unit. It is a 13 by 4 HD lace frontal wig. So let's just get into it real quick. In today's video, I showed you guys how I did my quick and easy glueless install. If you'd like to see how to get your edges nice and fluffy and your hair looking like this, just keep on watching. And again, the links will be in the description box for you to purchase this gorgeous unit, which I would highly recommend off rip. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher by my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Thinking wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 160. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that, we a chill with Noel and party, a John and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look right. Your body drive me. Oh, your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight body. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 How you want me run like a nothing? I think that's on me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cash. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the turbo. See many people there outside where they feel plans obo. Oh no, and me I stand the defender like Joseph Yobo. But girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I chatty get even money. If you fall in love, Kelly satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not capping. Can you see dripple, I'm not catching. I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm on quest and feet, I just want it. Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night.
I find the assassin if you be the reason why your baba wanna jealous me. If you want to take I'm serious, I do top speed. No fit to resonate, I'm on a different frequency. I don't think it's necessary. I be done with that somebody that could do like me. When I be like Musala coming off the right wing, I got to your defender, you no need to tell me. I'm a house, finesse. You know, send me, I must not. Now you can let I go carry go. If me, I got money past you. If you're not careful. Finesse, you know, send me a must net. Now you can let I go carry go. If me, I got money past you. If you're not careful.
Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night.
Alright, so I'm back and this is the final look. This wig is from Vshow hair and they went ahead and sent me this 20-inch body wave 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. Bro, curling this hair was so different for me because as soon as I curled it, the hair just felt super silky. Like I had already bleached, plucked, and had the hair washed, blow dried, and just set down for a minute. And then when it came on to curling this hair, everything, literally. I love how nice and full it is. It's not super thick to the point where the frontal area is too dense. The back hair is definitely nice and full, and it is nice and snug and flat. Usually with curls, you can experience some sort of bulky look in the back, but this is nice and flat. So if I were to crimp, flat iron, or anything like that, this wig isn't going anywhere because it's not a huge wig or bigger than my head. It fits just perfect. So that is pretty much it. The hair is everything. Working with this HD lace was chef's kiss. I live for it. So thank you so much to Vshow Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig, and if you'd like to get your hands on it, I would highly recommend it. Such cute curls, such a nice, easy, awesome, just quick wig. I loved it, loved everything about this install. So again, the links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase, and I would highly recommend. Thank you so much to Vshow for sending me this gorgeous wig, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.